Button. Stop recording.
Alright, yo. So, I don't know what kind of stuff came out on the video, if it was recording the whole time.
Button. Capture.
But we're gonna put you back in the cradle. So, Infocom 20 here. Oh, that's me here. Infocom 2025 is in Orlando, Florida. So, thank you, Guy Cochran, for letting me put myself into the drawing, or enabling me to go first to the DPA booth, Danish for Audio. They are the ones that microphoned or mic'd up the film Iron Man. Then, as well as the Mars rover, the 4606 is actually the microphone that you hear Mars with, the little rover that went up there a few years back. So, Danish Pro Audio. And so, as I'm talking to a couple of the gentlemen, Gabriel is his last name, Vincent Antonio Gabriel. He is part of the DPA team. And then I was talking to another gentleman. His name is Martin Seidel. He actually is the owner of Austrian Audio. And again, so I put myself in the name drawing sake, or scan your badge, put yourself in entry of a potential to win. So I did that, and here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put you back down this way, closer to the said thing. So again, by the way, Austrian Audio is now owned under DPA, or Danish for Audio. Sorry if earlier if the camera turned off or not, but I just peeled this little thing off just there. But I was being so careful because I don't like to bother and make it all. Yeah, be careful with it. So, as you want to read, Austrian Audio, probably it says in 303, OD 303. I'm going to turn the box on its side. It's a rectangular box. It's elongated box, feels like. Flat meaning 2 inches by 6 inches by 3 inches. So yeah, I'm basically gonna pull up this little. Okay, and I pulled off. Let's put the box this way, because maybe I have the box a little wrong. Here it is again. I had the label on, so here maybe this side says Austrian Audio. I'm gonna just pan the camera a little bit, and sorry for the wiggles and shakes, but it is what I can do with the vision that I can see with. So I'm gonna open it up at the top. So I feel sticker. I know our friend Andrew from podcast should have been pretty angry with that, but it's fine. Thank you for teaching always, and thank you for Austrian Audio again for enabling me to put myself in the drawing and to send this out to me. Again, paperwork kind of stuff, but private warranty, paperwork like that kind of card, authenticity card maybe. I don't know what it says because you can't see it, and right now since I'm filming on this camera on the Strange Ultra, there. I'm gonna just leave that to be there. Okay, there's a pouch. I like this pouch. It's kind of, let's see. I'm gonna put the pouch mount up real quick, and then let's see. We got a mount. That is great, because that's what I was like, wait, how am I going to put this mic on here anywhere that I have? So, I'm glad there's a mount for that. Because currently I got the R20 hooked up, but anyway. I'm going to definitely try this mic out to see how it sounds in my voice. Try it on Office Hours Global. And my channel on this channel, Who Cares? A11Y BAR, where BAR stands for Blind Accessible Resource. Remember, I could be in your home, on your phone, or anywhere you want me to be. So, yeah, this is what we unboxed. Is the Austrian Audio DP or OD303. I'm dropping stuff here, but thank you again to Ostrian Audio for sending this out after I was put in a drawing at Infocom 2025. I'm going to pull the mic out real quick. Here is the mic. I had the bag that I just unzipped up on the left. Here's the bag for a second. Nice looking bag. For the DPA 303, so you got the mineral rock. I guess this is the preservative stuff that you have. Got the little pouch. Of course, the Austrian Audio logo and signage right there. Right. So, right there. Okay, so let's put this top on the box. The mic comes in like this, and then before I share the mic, this is the clamp I'm talking about. So the mic clamped. What am I trying to think of this word? For this word is I know what I want to say, but can't think of the word. Shock mount. So yeah, but quarter 20 or what have you in there. That'll get hooked up to my Elgato boom arm over there in a minute. And then this is the microphone that was in this bag. So this bag, I'm gonna get out of here. Okay. And here's this little beautiful microphone. I remember holding this, holy crap, at Infocom. And this is a dope mic. I like this mic. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, because this and even the 505, they're both interesting mics. Like the 505 have this like interesting little gap thingy here. I don't know how close I'm holding it, but you know, blind eye here. So there's like this mic that has this basket looking feeling underneath. So you could put my fingers almost underneath this where the handle is of a regular microphone. And it comes down, so it's almost like like a suspended honeycomb or a comb of a microphone on top of it. So that way I guess it less
battery power 5%. Charge your phone or tap here to turn on power saving mode.
Okay, well this is the mic of it. I'm gonna be making more videos of it when I'm talking to it, but here it is again. Austrian Audio OD303. Austrian Audio OD303. Thanks, y'all. Thank you, Austrian Audio. See you on the flip side. Maybe we'll try out the 505 next too if it's good for the assist and stuff. Alright. But anyway, thank you.
Button. Stop recording. Window camera.